Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show you to upload custom fonts in Elementor WordPress website. Here you can see these are the fonts Lemon Days. So I want to upload these fonts in my website. How I can do that? Just you can download these fonts from here. After that you can go to dashboard. Here you can see in dashboard you can find out Elementor. After that you can see custom fonts. So just click here and here you can see add new button. Just add. After that you can give a name to your fonts. For example, I want to add this name. Now here you can see add font variation. Just click here. After that you can see you can upload font files in these formats: WOFF file, TTF file, and also you can see SVG file, EOT file. You can upload any of these. At this time I want to select this file. Just click here and let me upload file. So you can see these are the fonts. I can show you what is the format for this file. So here you can see this is the file format. You can download this file from the Google. After that you can upload here. Now click here, select file. After that you can publish. So let's see if it works or not. This is the Elementor page. Let me refresh it. So now you can see this is just heading element that I have added. Just click here and after that go to style and typography. Here you can see font family. Just click here. After that you can search. Here you can see custom fonts. After that click here. So now you can see the font has been added and working fine. In this way you can upload custom fonts in your Elementor WordPress website.